little instrument and a lot of aroha.
There's something special about it.
We'll go and play, just to make people happy. You know, that's what ukulele is all about.
The Ukulele Nannies are a musical ensemble delighting Tauranga Moana audiences. But behind their toe-tapping tunes is an important kaupapa.
It's amazing Hauora kaupapa for anybody.
Being part of a group that loves you back. And that to me is really powerful.
You know, I just think it gives them joy.
Don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart. Just don't think you'll understand.
Every Tuesday, Verna Ohia-Gates' whānau-based ukulele group can be heard making sweet music. They're all converts to the instrument and hooked on its 4-string sound.
You can tell your dog to bite my leg.
It was Verna's music-loving mother, 92-year-old Tirikawa Ohia, who encouraged her daughter to form the band before her passing in 2018.
Used to have great times with Mum. So she pretty much said to me, you know, get this going, Verna. Okay, well, I better. And then a lot of, you know, other aunties were saying, come on, let's start. So it's pretty much started from there. Her whakaaro was, you know, to share what I knew.
As well as popular hits, the group paid tribute to Verna's mum with her favourite waiata Māori.
I remember Mum lying in her bed before she passed, and I got the uke out. So I started singing the song, Māku. And as I was singing, you could hear her go, So she was singing, and I thought, yeah, she's still there. That's the special moments.
The ukulele group isn't the only gift Tirikawa passed down to Verna. The 70-year-old has recently been given the role of kaikaranga for her Tauranga marae, Te Whetu o Te Rangi.
And it's very special because it's a raka that Mum gave me, so I have to do it, hey? As the oldest girl of the family. When people say, oh, you sound like your mother, I go, oh, my God. I said, well, it is in my DNA, I suppose.
That's a big compliment.
Yeah, it's a great compliment, of course. Yeah, it is. So I know I'm doing okay.
The marae is also where the ropu play regular gigs for kaumātua.
I just think it gives them joy. You know, it just gives them joy. They forget what illnesses are. And it's really funny, you see them up doing a line dance or something. And so I will only play about 3 songs at once, and then I stop and they go, oh, I said, I don't want you falling down. Something happening to you, so sit down and have a rest. We'll do some slow songs, then we'll get back to line dancing again. They go, oh, okay. I said, I don't want you guys collapsing.
Yeah, I'll be there. There. Down here.
Most of the ensemble are all related. At 85, Aunty Jana is the group's ruahine, while Verna's aunt, Mere Clark, is proof that it's never too late to pick up the uke.
How tricky was it for you to learn the ukulele at 70?
I knew most of the chords with the guitar, but I didn't know the chords on the ukulele. So through Verna, she taught us the chords. So that's how I started, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it. The
Ukulele Nannies are attracting a loyal following. playing gigs at special events around the motu. And audiences may have noticed a few koro getting in on the act.
Yes, our name is Ukulele Nannies, and it's been like that for a while, but now we have 2 male that have come on board, and they're quite happy to be part of the Ukulele Nannies. So we're happy with that.
Every nanny's got to have a goat.
Robert Manihera was introduced to the ropu after he tried to find a ukulele band for his wife's unveiling. He loved it so much he joined the nannies, and since retiring he says his new passion gives him a sense of purpose.
Just being part of a ropu who give you love, who give you something to do. I get up every Tuesday and I look forward to the practices.
Last year, Conrad Hawira came on board, and in that time, the group's only male musos have developed a strong bond. Both have survived strokes and are amazed at the healing properties of playing the uke.
This group has taken me from having fingers like that, and they now do that.
Hauora is at the heart of their music making.
We decided that this group would be about wellbeing and encouraging them to recuperate, help them to recover from whatever their mamai is, and it's working. I mean, even for myself, I had bad arthritis. And instead of going to the physiotherapist, I'd say to play your ukulele.
The happiness it brings to these players is infectious and proving to be addictive.
It's an instrument of fun and brings joy, and that's why I love playing it.
It's just, yeah, it's a bomb. You know, it's one of those things that you pick up and you don't want to put it down once you start playing it.
Verna is proud of what they've achieved together, keeping the music playing in memory of her beloved mum.
What would your mum think if she saw this?
She'd be so rapt. Oh no, she'd be happy as.
Verna's been our glue.
She's our inspiration.
Sure.
And got us all going and shared her knowledge on playing the ukulele to us.
She's knit us all together and they weave us beautifully. And out of that korowai comes these beautiful noises, sounds, songs. We might be the ones that are paddling, but somebody's got to steer us in the right place, in the right direction.
It's not complicated. People think it's complicated. Have a go. I'd say have a go. It's a lovely instrument.